Hi, good day, M6309. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Landy Tangan, 26 years old, from Philippines. I'm single, no child. I am Christian. I am college graduate, course of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid, 2000, March 15, 2022 to April 19, 2025. And I have experience
How
uh,
many family members you have served?
5, Mom,
Okay. How many adults?
2, Mom,
What else?
and 1 elderly.
And?
And and also I teach the kids.
I saw that you have, you took care two child. What are their
Yes, Mom.
ages?
3 years old girl and 7 years old boy.
Okay, so can you tell me what are your main duties?
My main duties there is taking care of 2 child, 3 years old and 7 years old. I'm always making sure that the 2 child are safe, clean, comfortable. And also I teach the 2 child like reading book, assignment, stories, count of the number, playing, love, and respect.
Okay, I also saw that you have experience in teaching. Can you share me?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience about my teaching, ma'am. I teach grade 1 and grade 2. All the subject, ma'am, because my course is B.Ed, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. So, since you don't have experience in taking care of a newborn baby, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I willing, ma'am.
Do you know how to prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you tell me?
First, ma'am, I sterilize the butter, and also I take hot water and clean, and after that, ma'am, I take the milk.
Okay. First, wash the bottles, sterilize the bottles, put the right amount of milk and water, shake it, check the temperature, and give it to the baby, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, if the baby is crying, what would you do?
First, ma'am, if the baby is crying, I check the baby if baby have a problem like temperature or the diaper.
Diaper is full. If the baby is still crying, what would you do?
First, ma'am, I'm that if the baby is crying, ma'am, first I check the baby again if baby have a problem,
If
and
still crying, what would you do?
uh, uh, example, ma'am, I want if the baby is crying, I always song the baby if the baby is
After
every
everything you have
crying.
done, the baby is still crying, what would you do?
Um, I want to find the song or
You check the diaper, you check the temperature, you sing, you dance, and then after all, the baby is still crying, what would you do?
and I check again, ma'am, and I always
Will
try
you,
my
will
best
you
to
not inform your employer about the baby's condition?
uh, I inform, mom.
Okay, so if the baby is crying after everything you have done, the baby is still crying, you can call the parents' attention, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Um, because I want to help my family, ma'am, and for my future someday.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
10 years, 6 years, ma'am. If my employer to hire me as a stay, they to my employer. For me, ma'am, I want to.
So it depends on your employer if she will
Yes.
renew your contract. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Uh, Now, ma'am, I don't have idea, but I always watching the YouTube, ma'am.
You are willing to
always
learn by
learn.
watching YouTube. What else?
In the Google, ma'am, I search
Okay.
always.
So, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay to you to share room with kids or other family members?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to accept the holiday setup by your employer and willing to work on Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you prepared to eat the food that your employer provides?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Uh, uh, I, to my future employer, please hire me because I am patient, honest, kind, hardworking, responsible person. I will manage my time well. I will follow structure carefully. Hope you will choose me. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Lendley. Thank you.